Oh, hello. This is the OneTigris tactical bag. It's really convenient. Lots of molly gear on it. Lots of storage space. Going to the range, going to sighting your gun, wanting to carry at work, take your business stuff. I set it up like as if I was going to the range, do some pistol shooting. So as you saw, this slides open really easily. I love it. It has a double zipper. You can close it real easily. Velcro's back. Unvelcro that. You just take this, flap that open. Lots of stuff I got in here, okay? Earlier I was shooting some 7 mags. I had some of those bullets in it. I have my Serpa holster with my SIG, 9mm. I got my walkers. I got my decibels, which are custom mirrors. Got binoculars. I got my shooting pad. It's just what I have in here now. And then I have my other SIG 365. Lots of stuff you can see right here, the compartments and stuff. Super, super convenient. You can see everything right there. Now, I am an EMT. So I also, just in case there's ever an accident at the range, I carry this. It's just something I added to it. It has everything you need for bleed stop. I thought this Velcro pad was super awesome when I saw it, and I thought the perfect spot for it. I carry tools in mine. These are spare tools I had in my tool bags. So I threw these in there. You know, if it's getting dark, whatever, I need to see down the bag. Get my flashlight right there. Multi-tools, knives, pliers, all that sort of thing. Really cool. Lots of space for tools. Anything you can think of. And this was neat because this Velcro goes all the way across the side, so it goes right around that, all that bleed stop stuff, and you can't even tell it's there. So here on the side, you got more molly gear. Molly. And right here, you have molly there, and you have a pouch. Right now, I have an extra mag and some extra 9 in there. It's a really, really neat bag for going to the range. So this is the OneTigris tactical bag. I'll give a shout out to them right now. They sent it to us in exchange for our thoughts and opinions on it. So I hope you like this bag as much as I do. Now I'm going to show you how convenient it is if you get up there and you want to start shooting right away. Follow me. So super convenient. Plugs in. There you have it. Bag is pretty convenient, lots of space, lots of stuff you can take to the range with you. We'll get you one of these. Let's get tactical.